Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to cut a deck of cards without a table. This will be a tutorial for something called the swing cut. Now you can cut a deck of cards without a table like this. You just take half of the deck or part of the deck and slide it under the other part. But that doesn't look that great, okay? It's an easy way to cut a deck of cards, but it doesn't look that great, okay? If you want to add a little bit of flair to it, then you can use what's called the swing cut. So what you want to do is get your deck of cards, make sure they are face down and hold them. Now you can hold them like this with 3 fingers on top or just 2 fingers on top. I prefer to hold them with my index finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger on top. My pinky's just off here to the side and my thumb is on the bottom, okay? Now what you want to do is see, I can hold the deck with just these 2 fingers, and you use your index finger to grip part of the deck up and swing it out. Then you grab it, bring it underneath, okay? Grip part of the deck, bring it up and out, grab it, bring it underneath. Okay, just like that. So that is the swing cut, essentially. You want to try and cut the deck in different parts. Don't just keep cutting it in the same part. So you want to take your index finger, use it to bring part of the deck up and out, just like that. And obviously, if you're doing a magic trick or if you're playing cards and you don't want to use the table for whatever reason, or if you're doing, like I said, a magic trick and you want to just cut the deck of cards nice and easily with a little bit of flair, you just do it like that. So as you can see right here, it just looks much better, right? Instead of going like this, you know, look, this is still a great way to cut cards, to cut a deck of cards, but it looks like almost very amateur. Whereas if you go like this, I'm not a professional, but doing this definitely makes you look a lot cooler than doing it the other way. So if you want to look cool when you're cutting your deck of cards, this is just an easy way to do it. And the best part about it is that you can like learn this within a few minutes. It's not anything that's hard to do. It's really easy. So it's just a matter of practicing a few times and you can learn exactly how to do it. And even if it's a little bit sloppy, like even if you start getting, you know, some of the cards being left behind, you're just cutting the deck of cards. So it doesn't really matter. Yeah, that's it. That's how to do the swing cut and how to cut a deck of cards without a table. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.